That's full, right? I would have done the same. Oh, wow. Oh. I gotta get that. And look at this. Cars all over the place. That's kind of cool. Oh, neat. I know that grill. Look at these cars. Hot Rod Roadhouse. Now, is that a 28? Is that a 28? I think that's a 28.
Could be, I think it is.
Yeah. Look at the bugs.
Yeah.
That is nice. All the cars caught my attention, so I had to get it on video.
Yeah.
I love that right there. That's so cool.
Yeah, I got a bunch of them. I got a bunch of pictures of my car.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay, so here we are at Bliss Hot Rod Grill. And look at this. Just look at that. Roadkill. No shit. That is too cool. White walls must be replicas. Look at that. And what the hell? What does he got going on there? I just love those carburetor breathers. Now, kind of wondering if this thing actually starts. It's gotta. Look at those. That is too cool. Lights and the whole bit. Okay. We just met a new friend.
There's a picture of my Jeep at home.
Okay.
I'm from Riverside, California.
I'm from Calgary, Alberta.
Oh boy, you are a long way from home.
You got her. I'm just heading down to Los Angeles.
Oh yeah? Yeah. I'm going back up to Kennewick here and tomorrow morning and visit my daughter, and I'm gonna stay till Monday and coming back home.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is mostly original.
Yeah, that's my Jeep.
Mostly original though,
Yeah,
isn't it?
Yeah, mostly original. Yeah, it's original.
Nice to meet you.
Okay,
you
take
drive
care.
safe, eh?
Yes, you too. You have a safe trip back to Alberta. How long are you gonna be in California?
Just 2 weeks.
Just 2 weeks?
Minus already some of the days that I've been traveling and stuff like that.
Okay.
So
well, enjoy yourself, okay?
Most definitely.
Yeah, definitely. Okay, you take care.
You
have
too.
A good one.
Yes.
Take care.
So, let's see here. That was just too cool. And look at that. Hey. The Hot Rod Grill. And he's got a JB Big Boy standing on the corner. Now, I gotta get a close-up of this. This. Just too cool. Well, how much money went in to designing this restaurant? So I've got to stop in, and we'll do a special video Hot Rod Grill. Look at this, Bliss's Hot Rod Grill. Oh, look at this, too cool. I'm just here for a video. I saw the cars hanging on the building. Thank you.
There's more in the bar and there's more upstairs.
This is too cool.
What you got on your nose there?
Sorry?
Is that a video camera?
You got her. And I saw this car sticking out, and it's like, hey, I got to get this on video. Must have been a lot of work in this place. Wow. Look at this place. Just too cool. Look at that. That is too cool. And you have yourself a good day.
Oh, you have to look in there too.
In here? Okay. No minors. Okay. We're going into the bar. What do we have hanging off the wall in this place? How's it going?
Good, how are you?
The cars caught my attention.
Yeah?
Too cool. How long did it take to build this place?
This is an existing place, and he put the cars up about 4 or 5 years ago, I think.
Okay.
On top, but
Lot of work.
yeah,
Yeah.
he's quite the guy. He likes to mess with the cars, so
You can tell.
he does a good job.
Beautiful place.
Thank you.
Look at this. Oh, we got an upside down dragster. Now that is too funny. And we actually got a classic Coke machine. Look at that. Kilroy was here. Looks cool. Very nice. Slot machines. There it is. Okay, time to hit the highway again. Thank you. How's it going? Thank you. So, we did the bike tour. Did I leave my key? That was just too cool.